welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for those looking to make money from home. Logo designing on Fiverr using Canva. If you're someone with a creative streak and a passion for design, or even if you're just looking to make some extra income on the side, this is the perfect gig for you. Fiverr is a fantastic platform where freelancers can offer their services to a global audience, and logo design is one of the most in-demand services on the site. The best part, you don't need to be a professional graphic designer or invest in expensive software to get started. With Canva, an easy-to-use online graphic design tool, you can create stunning professional logos in just minutes. First, let's talk about setting up your Fiverr account. If you haven't already, head over to fiverr.com and sign up. The process is straightforward. You'll need to create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Even if you're new to logo design, don't worry. Highlight any relevant experience you have, such as using design software, art skills, or even a strong sense of creativity. Make sure to upload a professional profile picture and write a compelling bio that tells potential clients why they should choose you for their logo design needs. Once your profile is set up, it's time to create your first gig. A gig is essentially a service you offer on Fiverr. For your logo design gig, you'll want to create an eye-catching title that grabs attention. Something like professional logo design with unlimited revisions can attract potential clients. In the gig description, be detailed about what you offer. Explain that you use Canva to create custom logos and mention any additional services you provide, such as multiple logo concepts, revisions, or different file formats. Next, we need to set up your pricing. Fiverr allows you to create different packages for your gig: basic, standard, and premium. For the basic package, you might offer one logo concept with a couple of revisions. The standard package could include 2 logo concepts with more revisions, and the premium package could offer 3 logo concepts with unlimited revisions and faster delivery. Pricing will vary depending on your experience and the market, but starting with competitive prices can help you attract your first few clients and build up your reviews. Now that your gig is live, it's time to start designing logos. Canva is a fantastic tool for this. Start by going to canva.com and creating an account if you don't have one already. Canva offers both free and paid versions, but the free version is quite robust and has everything you need to get started. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and select Logo from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new canvas with the perfect dimensions for a logo. Canva provides a wide variety of templates to choose from. You can start with one of these templates and customize it to suit your client's needs, or you can create a design from scratch. To customize a template, simply click on the elements you want to change, such as the text, colors, and icons. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy to move elements around, resize them, and change colors. You can also upload your own images or use the extensive library of free icons and graphics available on Canva. When designing a logo, keep in mind the principles of good logo design. A great logo is simple, memorable, and versatile. It should look good in black and white as well as in color, and it should be scalable so it looks good at any size, whether it's on a business card or a billboard. Pay attention to typography, color theory, and overall balance in your designs. Canvas tools make it easy to experiment with different looks until you find the perfect design. Once you've created a logo, download it in the format requested by your client. Canva allows you to download designs in various formats, including PNG, JPG, and PDF. If your client needs a vector file, you can use Canva Pro or export the design to another tool like Adobe Illustrator. Communication with your clients is key to a successful Fiverr business. Make sure to respond promptly to messages and keep clients updated on the progress of their logos. If a client requests revisions, take their feedback seriously and make the necessary changes quickly. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews, which will boost your profile and attract more business. Let's talk about some tips to ensure your success on Fiverr. First, make sure your gig description and profile are optimized with relevant keywords. This helps your gig appear in search results when potential clients are looking for logo designers. Secondly, use high-quality images and videos in your gig gallery. Showcasing your best work will give clients confidence in your abilities. Third, consider offering a fast delivery option. Many clients are willing to pay extra for quick turnaround times. Another important aspect is to continuously improve your skills. Canva is a powerful tool, but exploring other design tools and keeping up with design trends can help you offer more to your clients. There are plenty of online courses and tutorials available that can help you learn new techniques and improve your design skills. Finally, always strive for excellent customer service. Going the extra mile to ensure your clients are satisfied can result in repeat business and referrals. Building long-term relationships with clients can provide a steady stream of income and help you grow your Fiverr business. So there you have it. With a bit of creativity and dedication, you can start making money from home by designing logos on Fiverr using Canva. It's a great way to utilize your design skills and turn your passion into profit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your logo design journey on Fiverr.